Have you ever wondered how twins come into the world? Well, today we're diving into how twin pregnancies happen. Twin pregnancies can happen in several ways, and they are mainly classified into two main types: identical twins and fraternal twins. Identical twins is also called monozygotic. Mono means one, and zygotic comes from the word zygote, which is the first cell that forms when an egg cell and a sperm cell combine in fertilization. So that means one cell. So identical twins result from the fertilization of a single egg by a single sperm, and then this fertilized egg splits into two embryos. And this division typically happens during the early stages of the development of the embryo, like within the first few days after fertilization. Now, there are a few different scenarios for identical twin formations. The first one is monochorionic monoamniotic twins. Monochorionic means one placenta, and monoamniotic means one amniotic sac. So in this case, the fertilized egg splits very early, and the twins share both the same amniotic sac and the same placenta. This kind of pregnancy is very rare, but it has a higher risk of complications. The next possible way is monochorionic but diamniotic. In this case, the twins share the same placenta, meaning monochorionic, but they have their own separate amniotic sacs, diamniotic, two amniotic sacs. This is the most common type of identical twin pregnancy. Okay, now let's talk about fraternal twins, which is also called dizygotic, meaning D for two, and zygotic comes with the word zygote. So fraternal twins result from the simultaneous release and fertilization of two separate eggs by two separate sperm cells. This can happen when a woman releases more than one egg during her menstrual cycle due to hyperovulation. Twin formation is dichorionic and diamniotic twins. These twins have their own separate placenta and own amniotic sac, of course. And having their own separate placentas and their own amniotic sacs makes them less prone to certain complications. Hyperovulation can happen due to genetic or hormonal factors. Fraternal twins can have different genetic backgrounds and may or may not resemble each other more than a sibling from a different pregnancies do. The likelihood of having twins might be higher depending on genetics, like a family history of fraternal twins, or age. For example, women over 30 are more likely to release multiple eggs, or certain fertility treatments where hormone treatment is used to stimulate egg production, for example, IVF. Anyway, this is a fascinating world of genetics and chance, and twins are like snowflakes. Each pair is unique in their own way, and I hope this was informative, and see you next time.